Well, good morning. Welcome back to Redline Rehab, and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, it's Christmas morning. You guys know that feeling when you wake up Christmas morning and you're just so excited? There's so much anticipation. Maybe you're really hopeful to get a new Red Ryder BB gun or some, what kind of toy did you like growing up? I don't know.
Bike.
A new bicycle, just something way exciting. Those are the feels. Those are the feels that we're having right now.
Yes, we are. What's going to be in our gift?
Oh, man. More horsepower, I guess, is the gift. That's the excitement. We are adding a 2.85 upper pulley to our Redeye. It is going to be on pump gas because Utah fuel sucks. I think there's one, maybe two fuel stations in Utah with E85, so that's not a reality for us. But we're going to do the pulley with some other supporting modifications for it and getting it tuned on the dyno. So that is what you guys are here and about to see. How exciting.
So exciting.
Now, the question is, what's the increase of horsepower? Who knows? I don't know. Honestly, anything over 750 to 800 for me would be pretty awesome. What are you hoping for?
Yeah, around there.
Around there?
Yeah.
Not 1,000 horsepower?
I mean, how cool would that be?
Well, I don't know. But at what point do you just spin the wheels and you don't get any traction, you know? So, anyway, we're on our way. It's going to be exciting. Oop, Hellcat. Right there. Also, big shout out to Mario at MI Tuning. He's the guy that unlocked the PCM. If you need your PCM unlocked, if you need a flash, a tune, whatever, hit him up. I will put in my description his Instagram handle. It's MItuning_01. He received the PCM, unlocked it same day, shipped it back same day. Does not get better than that. I'm going to be honest. I do have a secret agenda here with the Redeye, the horsepower. What you guys don't know is something about Amber when it comes to launches.
Ooh.
When it comes to poles, G-force. How do you do with those?
I don't do too hot on those.
What happens?
Everything sort of blacks out.
She blacks out. She passes out, faints. Is that the right term for it?
I don't think it's ever gone that far, but everything like legit goes black.
Everything goes black. So I do have a little hidden agenda to capture a live video in the Redeye with the increased horsepower. We're probably going to need a tire on it to do a launch and see if we can get her to black out. How fun would that be?
It hasn't happened with the horsepower now, so that's his goal. Get more horsepower, black out.
There you go. So in a future film coming your way, we'll see if we can get Amber to pass out. How about that? There it is. New pulley. What up, buddy? How's it going? There's the man, the myth, the legend, they call you?
Oh, don't give me the credit.
No. Did I already put down 807? No way. That's unreal. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be good. Well, it says it's already putting out over 800, 806, 807 wheel horsepower.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So onward we go. We'll see what else it'll put out. Final results are in. What do you think?
More than I thought.
It's more than I thought as well. Absolutely. Well, you guys, there you have it. Very impressed, terrified to drive it. Our next video is going to be our reaction video to driving it. Probably won't get any traction, but as always, a huge shout out to Premier Complete Auto, Keith, their whole team, and helping us setting this up. They are the best in the business, so very grateful for them. If you haven't already, please hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.